Not very many organizations have really gone into the profundity of tending to the interoperability gives that present different bottlenecks for the exchanging local area. Welcome to the decentralized money new symbol of Bitcoin. Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV gives less expensive and lightning-quick exchanges, disposing of the intricacies associated with the decentralized environment. Before we dive into the Bitcoin SV cost forecast, let us view a portion of the interesting elements of Bitcoin SV. Bitcoin SV, exhibiting an unmatched presentation. Bitcoin Money is the second biggest fork of the Bitcoin organization, and from that point onward, there was one more fork in November 2018, Bitcoin SV. It was made to re-establish the first Satoshi convention, keep it stable, and scale enormously. As a gullible contestant in 2018, not many individuals knew all about Bitcoin SV and were a little uncertain in exchanging BSV. A huge benefit is that you can execute rates as the organization grows, adding to an exceptional expansion in the quantity of excavators, upheld by a strong and high transmission capacity public blockchain stage. Bitcoin SV has tended to the openness issues, setting up a half-breed agreement system. A remarkable element is that it can trap fake or false exchanges by peers wherein an affirmed block is equipped for following the first block. Bitcoin SV depends on cryptographic techniques that are dependent on zero divulgence proof and numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any information or message on the other party associated with the exchange. A remarkable trademark that hangs out in this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of exchanges on the organization. This recognizable quality makes it special, contrasted with other Ethereum-based decentralized finance conventions, and simultaneously lays out a plenty of mining roads. Bitcoin SV establishment, acting capably. The increases from the Bitcoin establishment additionally offer to BSV the local area benefits. Through this channel of establishment, the stage gets charitable commitments and a flourishing number of individuals. The Bitcoin SV designers additionally have progressed highlights like conceptualizing thoughts on this stage that advance dynamic conversation on BSV. When supported, the designer group tests out the thought and redirects it to raising assets for the local area. The stage likewise includes workgroups made by individuals sharing their encounters and assisting you with understanding the functionalities better. Bitcoin SV value. Following the authentic investigation, no big surprise, the historical backdrop of Bitcoin SV has been sensibly solid. With Bitcoin dashing up to turn into a public decision in 2019, it gave energy to this coin likewise, and its cost contacted a high of $95. The Great Convention went on with negligible rectifications. Afterward, Bitcoin SV showed a monstrous retreat in the period of September 2020. Another significant explanation was that the area offered other option and broadened venture choices to Bitcoin and other computerized resources. So while some money resources hit all-time highs of $70, BSV was all the while battling, showing an eagerly awaited obstruction at $100.28. BSV highlighted returning, building up forward momentum at $120.20 regardless of the pandemic in 2020. Afterward, in 2021, Bitcoin SV has denoted a record-breaking high of $491.64. Nonetheless, in the wake of hitting ATH, the BSV cost fell steeply towards $100 mark. Furthermore, presently, it is exchanging beneath the $50 mark throughout recent months. In view of the BSV cost expectation, a drawn-out revision is normal. The cost guess for 1 year is around $3.90. In the start of 2023, the BSV cost may be exchanging around $25.46. Greatest cost $28.87. Least cost $25.09. The normal for 2023 will be around $26.60. Bitcoin SV cost figure toward the finish of 2023 will be around $26.98. There is a decent opportunity that Bitcoin SV 2026 value forecast will twofold in cost. However, it is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $200.99 level. Bitcoin SV is anticipated to arrive at an unequaled high of $196.24 or $200.99 in 2026, and it very well may be the extended time of Bitcoin SV. During the last year, BSV coin was enlisting moderate force, in spite of the fact that there was a slight recuperation from February 2022, yet from that point onward, the coin has enrolled a sharp fall, and after May 2022, the cost of Bitcoin SV was exchanged decently. At present, the cost of Bitcoin SV is exchanging over the $40 mark, which is a decent sign, yet the cost is as yet exchanging beneath $46. As indicated by the current situation, it is anticipated that BSV will show moderate recuperation before the current year's over, contrasted with other digital forms of money. Really take a look at here are other long-haul digital currency expectations. BSV Coin Value Expectation 2023. The year's end 2023 could offer a buy-to-all negative and cynical cost patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for BSV. It could mean the beginning of a period of expectations and commitments loaded with hopefulness. The loved resource would ascend to a future cost of anyplace between the scope of $40 to $60 according to our Bitcoin SV figure. Bitcoin SV Value Estimate 2024. In the realm of digital forms of money like BSV, there could be a gauge of supernatural occurrences, and there could be wizardry in the present moment as well. According to specialists, Bitcoin SV expectations 2024 may mean a blast time for Bitcoin SV. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long haul as opposed to the present moment. It wouldn't be a distortion that the BSV cryptographic money could break every one of the boundaries and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle cost of $90. Bitcoin SV Value Forecast 2025 with a touch of tolerance and keeping the expectations high in the long haul. Financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025. As the reception of BSV would develop dramatically, by when Bitcoin SV might be a carefully prepared player. As per our BSV Cost Forecast 2025, the coin could arrive at above $110 with least and most extreme value levels of $105 and $118 separately. BSV Expectation 2026. In view of the BSV cost estimate, the Bitcoin SV coin could change the pattern from the outset towards the year's end. The coin might fill quickly, particularly for collusions in this year 2026. New organizations would bring Bitcoin SV to the spotlight, making it the middle stage for speculations and a socially regarded cryptographic money cost fixed at $129. Bitcoin SV Expectations 2027. According to the BSV Cost Estimate 2027, the cost of Bitcoin SV is anticipated to cross $150. Before the year's over, Bitcoin SV is supposed to arrive at any rate charge of $146, and the BSV coin holds potential to cross a greatest degree of $156. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2028. In view of the Bitcoin SV Cost Forecast 2028, the BSV cost is gauged to cross $165 by year's end. In the interim, Bitcoin SV cost is supposed to arrive at least degree of $158 this year. The greatest cost might reach $168. BSV Coin Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the cost of Bitcoin SV could reach $180 according to the BSV forecast. During the year, the BSV cost could cross the most extreme degree of $195 before the year's over, while the base cost level around $179. Bitcoin SV Value Expectation 2030. Out of 2030, Bitcoin SV is supposed to exchange around the $200 during the year, as per BSV Cost Forecast 2030. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin SV's base cost is supposed to be around $198. Furthermore, BSV can arrive at a greatest value level of $218. Toward the finish of 2030, Bitcoin SV will have a typical cost of $216. Is BSV crypto a wise speculation? Bitcoin SV can be a productive speculation choice. The cost rises to $44 right now,